In this video, we will cover assembling your edger.
The best way to assemble this edger is to put in the lower shaft first. Now this detail is also in your instruction manual, and if you follow the labels on the unit you should have no problems. So we've already put the lower shaft in. Now it's just a matter of taking the long bolt. Now this has a square hex underneath the head which will match this square hole in the side here. So it's just a matter of putting the bolt through like so. Then secure your locking knob. Once this is in position, the upper shaft is applied. Again, line up the holes using the shorter bolt. Apply through the shaft, and again secure with the locking knob.